Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Anna Khomenko, the marketing manager at a company called CookingPal. Thank you for joining us, Anna.
Thank you, Fred.
Well, you've got some interesting kitchen technology that you're showing off at the Consumer Electronics Show, something called Julia. Wonder where you got that name. Thanks for joining us, Anna.
Thank you.
Tell us what Julia is all about.
We're introducing Julia by CookingPal. It's an autonomous cooking system, and it's comprised of two different items. One would be smart kitchen appliance and the smart kitchen hub. The smart kitchen hub is used to control the smart kitchen appliance. Now, the smart kitchen appliance is the main unit that has a motor and a bowl that has the cooking capacity up to 3 liters. And it comes with a list of accessories that allow it to perform multiple cooking functions. So with just one appliance, you could be mixing and chopping and whipping and steaming and boiling and even cooking the onion. So no more crying in the kitchen. You just put the onion into the bowl and it's going to chop it for you and it's going to cook it for you. The way to control it is through the Smart Kitchen Hub. So it's a 8.9-inch tablet. It has a touchscreen display and the physical jog dial. So when hands get wet and messy and you can't really operate it with your finger, you just use this jog dial that has this familiar haptic feedback, and it's going to guide you through the recipes. Now, the tablet comes with the video and photo guided recipes. So you literally can just browse through the recipes, select one, shop the missing ingredients, and then just follow step by step. You literally just need to put the ingredients into the bowl as Julia prompts you, and just in a split of a minute, or regardless regarding how much time the recipe takes, you'll have the cooked meal ready. So you can just sit back and relax while Julia is doing all the rest for you.
And it even does the cooking. Now, this is done. These are things that can be cooked in a pot kind of setting.
Well, absolutely, right? Absolutely. You could be one of the examples would be a mushroom soup, or it could be a salmon risotto, or it could be you could be boiling your pasta in the pot, and with the steam, you could have a steamer on top. You could steam your vegetables and a salmon steak. So our steamer has 2 layers. And then there you go. You have your cooked meal just in 20 or 30 minutes.
Very interesting. So it sounds very versatile. When is this going to be available to consumers, and do you have an idea about the price?
Yes. So we will be launching in Q3 2020, and it will be available on Amazon US, and it'll come under $1,000 US.
Now tell us, is this a system that you plan to add to? Because obviously, there are lots of things, many things that you can cook in a pot kind of setting, but not everything.
Well, it is actually very versatile. I think the only thing it can't do probably is bake, but at the same time, it can knead your dough. And actually, in the lineup of our products, we are having an oven that is going to be coming up later in time. So we'll get all your different cooking functions covered.
So that would be for baking, broiling, etc., those kinds of things.
Right.
Well, where did the idea? Tell me about the background of the company, how this all got started.
Oh, how it all got started. Well, we have quite a versatile team. Some of us are engineers, some of us are designers, and all are coming from the technical background, working, on various brands in their previous career. So one day we just all got together and decided that the market needs something else. The cook novices or experienced chefs, they all need an extra hand in the kitchen, and this is how we came up with Julia.
And the recipes come from where? Obviously, you're engineers, but everybody likes to eat, but you need some experts here.
Yes. So for that, we do have a network of chefs all around the world that are developing recipes for us. So we don't do it, we do it with the help of professionals.
So tell us how this fits into the kitchen. Describe the appliance for us.
It is, let's say, I think the size-wise, you could describe it a little bit bigger than an A4 paper. That would, I think that would do it. So it would consist of the appliance itself. It has a motor, and it has the bowl. And then this is it. It only has one button and the interactive LED light that's going to show you the progress of cooking. And the way to operate it is through this tablet that is portable, so you can bring it all around the apartment with you. So you don't need to stay in the kitchen and control it. You can literally do it from any place in any other room while you're playing with kids and see the progress of your cooking there.
And obviously there are a lot of smarts built into this too. So tell us a little bit about the technology, including the connectivity.
Well, exactly. It is very exciting. So the way Julia and Hub are connected is through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The way to operate Julia, we will have Alexa built into it, so you'll be able to control it with your voice by saying, Alexa, set the temperature, Alexa, read me the next step, Alexa, start the appliance or pause the appliance. So you'll be able to operate with the voice. Then it also has a built-in camera, so it allows you for AI food recognition. So literally, you'll be able to open the fridge, check which ingredients you have in the fridge, take a photo of it, and it's going to suggest you the recipes based on what you have.
And that's built into the tablet, obviously, here, right?
Absolutely, yes. It's built into the tablet.
Very cool. So for more information, where can people go?
We launched our website, so it's CookingPal.com. And at the same time, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook with CookingPal Official.
Again, it's CookingPal.com. Anna Khomenko, thank you for taking the time with us.
Thank you very much, Fred.
Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.